welcome. This is Miss Lena. I hope everyone is doing well. I am blessed. I hope you all are blessed. And this is day number 12. It's,
11.
oh, I'm
This is
sorry.
vlog Miss 11. Yeah, hopefully we're gonna catch up. We supposed to been doing this every day, and we haven't been able to do it. I've been sick a couple of days, and Miss Lena been not feeling good, so we falling behind yet again. But we gonna catch up.
Okay, for Blind Miss 11. All right, my scripture for today. Casting all your cares upon him, for he cared for you. 1 Peter 5:7. Verily, verily, I say unto you, he that believeth on me have everlasting life. John 6:47. These are the scriptures for today. Okay, I'm getting ready to do a repost. I have a collard greens and cabbage stew that I made last year, and one of the subscribers couldn't find it in the description box, and she asked to repost it. I'm sorry, to repost it. So I'm reposting it because she was wanting to do it, and after she couldn't find it, we decided that this would be a good time to do it because it was just before Thanksgiving of 2023. So we are getting ready to do that right now. So thank you so much, and I hope.
And y'all, and we sorry about the kids, because I know the kids are loud and everything, and I know sometimes, long time ago when the kids used to be in there, a lot of people being, I mean, not a lot, but it was maybe like 4 or 5 people being in there was complaining about the kids being noisy. So I'm letting everyone know that the kids are a little bit noisy, but you can still hear us. So if you don't like kids in the videos and stuff, I'm just telling you ahead of time. So God bless you.
Okay, so we're getting ready to get started now.
All right, y'all. Thank you. And as I say, enjoy the video because it is a repost. And oh my goodness, y'all, please, if you make this, it's so good. So good. The kids at the end ate the whole pot. All the kids and a couple of her older grandkids. So they ate every bit of it. So enjoy and thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Be blessed. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Miss Lena's Kitchen with all my love. Okay, I will be saying to you, I'm going to read Romans 3, 5, and 8. But God demonstrated his own love for us in this. While we were still sinners, Christ died for us. Romans 5, 8. Thank you so much. So now I'm getting ready to make a cabbage green stew. And these are what I'm be putting in it. Will be I have a package of frozen frozen greens, and I already baked my boiled some chicken in
Turkey.
Turkey in his own broth. So this is what I'm cooking it in. So this is why it looks very rich, and it is very rich. It has lots in it. I had turkey tails and turkey wings in there also, and I'll be adding turkey sausage, and I have bell peppers, sweet bell peppers and red or green bell peppers and onions, and I also have the cabbage, and I'll be having the Rotel. And now I'm going to be putting in my Rotel right now. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to stir my Rotel. And this is collard greens. This is what I have. These are frozen collard greens that I have. Okay, now after I put the frozen collard greens, I'm going to let them cook for about 5 or 10 minutes. And then I'm going to add the cabbage to them. Now I have my cabbage chopped up real small. The white ones and the green part of it. Okay, then I'm going to put this on right now for 5 or 10 minutes, and I'll come back in just shortly, and I'll add the cabbage to the greens after storage to boil a little bit. Thank you. Okay, so I added 1 bottle of water to the broth that I already have in there. I may have to add some more once I put the cabbage in, but right now I'm going to start letting it boil with the 1 boil of water and the regular broth that I made from the turkey. Thank you.
Okay, y'all. The greens are boiling, so she's putting the cabbage in. Sorry, I thought the camera was on.
I'm putting some of the onions, not all of them. Now I'll be adding the meat. This is my turkey, the turkey necks and the turkey ends, and also the turkey wing. I'm sorry I had to turn the pan around the other way. Dip it in there, so.
Okay, y'all. Now she's ready to put the sausage in.
All right, this is my final touches from the cabbage collard green stew. Okay, thank you. All right, this is the final touches. I'm gonna let everybody get a taste. I'm gonna let the boys get a taste touch with it. Okay, and let me know how they like it. Okay. Let me put you away. Give me a piece of meat in there. Okay. All right, now. Y'all tell me how you guys like it, okay? All right. It's cabbage collard green stew. All right. I'm gonna get me some, but I'm trying to make me some cornbread to go with mine, so. Okay. This is very, very good.
You like it, Michael?
It's hot though.
I can see that.
Give me a spoon. Okay. Okay, so it's very hot, so I was
I give it a 9 out of 10.
I want one.
okay.
Here.
Smoking.
You like it, Michael? What you give it?
Like 110.
110, so that's good. What you give it, Malachi?
10.
I said 9 out of 10.
Boy, it's very hot. It's got some hot pepper in it. Give her a spoon.
What you give
Okay.
He said.
Okay, how you like it, Malachi? Because I know you don't care for greens and cabbage. So how you like it?
It's a 9 out of 10.
All right, he said 9 out of 10. Well,
What did
he's
Michael
now.
say?
Michael said 100.
Oh, Michael gave 100.
110.
Michael gave him 110.
Okay. Well, I'll give it 100 also. It's off the chain. The chain is broken and it's off of it. It's so
It do
good.
got a little kick to it.
You like it, the money? Or money? Good?
Let me get some.
1 0 1
What's your number?
0
Uh,
1 0.
what? 9, 0, 0.
8 out of 9. She said 8 out of 9. 0. Wow, she 8 out of 10.
It might be good if Malachi wants some more.
Give me some more.
Is she going?
That might be good because Malachi wants some more.
So I'm here. That's the wrong
That
plate.
must be good because Malachi want more.
Granny, that's the wrong plate.
Oh, you want that? Okay.
Sorry.
Push that tray around a little bit. So yeah. No, come
Great.
here.
Come
on, that's yours.
You was gonna give me a spoonful.
Oh, wow. Malachi want more than that. That must be real good.
Okay, here.
This is outrageous.
Push that back.
Give me a
Here.
spoonful.
There's yours, baby.
DJ, I get 100 out of one.
You give it 100 too? Good. Malachi said he wants some more,
I
Granny.
just got.
I get it.
Him and Michael want more.
You got 100. Okay. Okay.
No, I give it 9 out of 100.
I know.
Malachi said I didn't give him enough. He said I gave him a baby spoon. Okay. Now.
It has to be good for him to like it because y'all, Malachi don't like vegetables. So that has to be real off the chain for him to even want more.
Okay. Very, very good. It is very good. I'm going to have mine with cornbread as soon as I get my pan ready. I have my cornbread ready to put in the oven. So I thank you all for coming back. And I hope you all will try this. It has a lot of vegetables in it. She's going to get the video up tonight or before day in the morning. And I can maybe make it on the weekend. This is something very good.
She want more, Granny.
I want some more.
They want more.
They ain't want more.
Yeah, come here.
My taste would have been improved.
Okay.
This is so good.
This must have been cinched.
Y'all, you see the kids? They eating this greens and cabbage, so y'all know y'all need to make it. They turn it up.
Vegetables.
You want more?
I know you hate vegetables, so that has to really be good for you to eat it. I know that, Malachi. I know you do not like any kind of vegetables, so that has to be real good.
Okay.
You don't like strawberry?
There you go.
I do.
It's hot now. Blow it. Very, very good. It's off the chain, though. Really. It's very good.
I'm not even blowing.
And you burn your mouth up. Because that's why you chewing fast. And your nose running.
Nuh-uh.
100 plus.
100 out of 1.
We thank you all so much. And I hope you will make this dish. It's very good.
Okay.
Like,
Y'all comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
And all the new ones that have come in. Wait a minute. And all the new ones that come in. This must be very delicious because he sure know how to eat vegetables like this.
But Michael do. Michael and Damani and them do it.
Yeah.
I need a third
Yeah, the girls
plate.
do, but
Michael
Malachi
said,
don't like.
I'm gonna need a third plate.
You like, huh?
I need a third plate.
Michael said he need a third plate.
Another one. Fine here.
Okay, y'all see? These kids are getting it, so. I'm look like I'm going to make some more. Here. Okay, baby. There you go. Oh, wait a minute. You want some more too? That's the third plate. Say, they was first, second, and it's on the third plate around.
I want more.
Okay.
A little bit.
With all my love. Goodbye.
Yeah.